What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drew Savvy. So we got this woman here revealing how to make girls obsessed. Her TikTok page is Tash9PM. Let's get right to it.
Women are gonna fucking hate that I'm telling men this, but men, the worst advice you ever got is just do anything to make her happy. Then she'll like you, she'll be good. I have a client that I'm working with right now. He is going over and
You have
above
a client?
to
Okay.
make this girl happy that he's dating. It's the beginning stages, so that is when you train her how to treat you. So at first when he came to me, he was losing her. She said she wasn't interested in him long term, couldn't see herself falling in love with him. That's where we had to switch it. By just him changing the way that he reacts to her situationally and taking a more high value approach and setting boundaries with her, she completely 180'd and was like, wait, I love you, I want to be with you. Completely different, because women only respect men who respect themselves. When you're just like pleasing her too much, when you know something is crossing a fucking line, you set a boundary. That's a masculine energy, and that shows that you know your value. You think what's happening is like, oh, over time she'll like me more, this is good, I won't lose her if I just keep on making her happy, but you're actually pushing her away. That's why you hear things from women where they're like, oh, I don't think I'm looking for a relationship right now, I don't see myself ever falling in love with you. And that's harsh, and it's because where it's coming from is she can tell that he doesn't respect himself. He's putting her needs toward his, and there's times where that is just crossing the line. And over
I thought this is like a normal thing, bro. Guys should be already not pedestalizing her. You should already not be. You should already come with boundaries and respect, like as a man. And unless you can enforce those boundaries and respect and force your respect, you shouldn't be looking for anything long term or anything at all. Like, just be friends with women. Like, I'm gonna be honest. Like, because in a relationship you have to have these qualities as a man. Like, for example, like, you could be really great in one area in your life, but when it comes to with dealing with women, you're not as good. Or when it comes to being in a relationship per se, you're not as strong. So if you can't uphold your boundaries as a man and show up how you need to and make sure she respects you in return, then you shouldn't be dating. You shouldn't be in a relationship. That's what I'm saying. So
over time, she doesn't respect you anymore. Once the respect is lost, and she doesn't want to have sex with you anymore. It just keeps on going down and down. For instance, say you're dating a girl and she keeps talking about her ex-boyfriend. Instead of what a lot of
cut. You're a cut.
guys do, where they're like, oh shit, are you like still hung up on him? Or they act like it's fine, it doesn't
She's
faze me,
cut.
and they just let her keep talking about her ex. Like, don't do that. Instead, you can say
Well, it
in a high
depends.
value way, it looks like that relationship taught you a lot, but I'm curious about the you now. In a nice way, letting her know,
No.
I don't want to fucking talk about your ex-boyfriend. Let's keep it here. Cause
I mean, yes, but no. It depends on where you're at with this girl. If you like just met her, okay, maybe you can set that early on. But if you've been dating her for a while and she's talking about her ex boyfriend, you gotta cut her off, gang. There's no way. She's still like that dude, bro. All right, that must have been the guy that got her emotionally. So once you get a woman up here, bro, you got her. I'm gonna be honest with you. So yeah.
you're going there, and it's not my thing. Women respect when a man respects himself. They walk all over the men that don't respect themselves, and then they get bored of them, and that's when they're talking to other guys. It's because they can feel that you're not deep down loving yourself the way you should. Tell her how daddy wants to be treated. Yeah.
Too many games, man. Yeah. Look at these comments here. Look at these comments. I'm just surprised. It threw me off when she said she has a client and he's a male. I mean, more power to her. But I mean, shit. I'm not paying a woman to give me advice on dating. Just personally, that she can give me advice in any other field, but not in dating. But let me know what y'all thought about her advice. I don't know. I thought it was interesting. So, but I mean, if you want to make a woman obsessed with you, just don't care if she's obsessed. Just literally just have your boundaries Sounds like it's just being a masculine guy. That's what she's saying. Be a masculine dude in any relationship, any situationship, and you're good. Obviously, and deal with the women who find you attractive, right? The ones who actually want you, high interest only, right? So you start to mitigate all these games they play, because they gonna play games, man. So hope y'all got some value from this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.